So what I'm going to do now is literally write a sales letter from scratch in less than 90 seconds. How am I going to do that? Because we have loaded an entire avatar in here that has all the information necessary to create it all the way down to the offer. So I'm going to click the build button and then the genie's going to take over. Now watch this. I'm going to throw a timer in the lower right and watch me get this done. We're going to do this in real time. So first it's going to write the grabber. Then it's going to write your main headline, your subheadline. It's going to create your call to action, start out with a shocking statement, have a transition headline. Now it's defining the problem in the sales letter for our target audience. Next, it's going to agitate the problem, make it worse. Next, what we're going to do is eliminate the usual solutions when someone thinks they're going to try and solve this issue. After that, we're going to generate the headline to introduce the bullets that we're going to use to describe the product and get everybody excited to buy it. Now we're creating the second bullet block. When that's done, we're going to create a third subheadline to introduce the third bullet block. Now it's going to take some basic information about you and it's going to create an amazing little bio that's going to make you sound like a superhero. Next, the genie is going to take all your information and create a great guarantee. Now we're going to introduce the final payoff stack of what they're actually going to get. And final thoughts and a PS. Guess what, kids? We have just written an entire sales letter. As soon as that PS is done, we have written an entire sales letter that we can now download as a docx file, which will open in Word, it'll open in Pages, it'll open in Google Docs. I'll show you the final result. So here we are with the final sales letter. All you have to do is go through and do a quick edit and you are good to go.